There's been multiple times that I almost got knocked out. Money. I'm finally going to install a mod that I have been putting off for the longest. Let's get to it. To increase the enjoyment of my rear end, I'm gonna install these bad boys. I let my trunk slam and I felt so bad. It just felt like I broke something. I don't want to let it slam that hard, but you get the point. That thing is deadly. So now, pop a trunk, boom. God dang it, dude. Why is my trunk so filthy? I'll be back. I'm gonna clean this up real quick. Check this out. Just a small little flex. Freshy. Alright, here goes the fun part when you have to get in a tight space and just be in the heat. And hopefully I don't get guillotined by the trunk. But in a sense, pop off the clips. That side, and then same thing on the other side and replace it with the new one. So let's try to do it. So once I bend it, did the same to the other side, this thing should come out. Let's try to get it out now. Oh! And that, boys and gentlemen, is how you get her done. Boom! Check this out, guys. Freshies. Look at this. You guys all know your trunk don't do that? That's how an E34 trunk's supposed to work. It's not supposed to guillotine your ass. Whoa! Now my BMW's starting to look like a BMW. Alright, here goes from Instagram, people. Hey, if you guys want to follow me on Instagram, it'll be in my description. Interact with me, bruh. These M5 hood shocks are shot. So, once we put it on, I'm going to show you before and after. Like I was saying, I just get it in there like this. And I just pry this bad boy open. See? Works. So the new one, the neighbors are partying, bruh. Then you just clip your new one in. Oh yeah, son. Oh my gosh. Who would have known it would have been that easy? Well, I haven't done this to the M5 a long time ago. Coming from the most laziest E34 owner, let me just tell you, if y'all hood ain't opening like how it should be with the new hood shocks, you should change it, because this mod is only like 30 bucks. Saved my life. Like, I've been doing this for decades, bro. You guys don't even understand. Look at this. My hood has never held it like that. Now that right there, folks, that's how your E34 is supposed to open. What is that?
I don't know. Message.
Oh, what? Yep, not for the E34. For the E36. Oh. Corona. Other than that, let's get back to the hood shocks before I start getting Corona again. Got the hood shocks, and they're going where they belong. Now that that's done, all I have left to do that I mentioned in the other video was to do the LED lights. I'm just gonna make a quick run to AutoZone and go grab them. I'll be right back when I have the other ones. Alright, this is what I came back with. I'm not sure if they're gonna work because they don't tell you at AutoZone, but that's the one I got. This one too. They all fit a 578. Alright, I would pick a hot day to do this in a hot black car that attracts a lot of a lot of heat. Ooh, whoopah. These things ran up to $30. I bought this one, which is $10 because this is super bright, so I wanted to go in the middle. 30 bucks, but it turns out that I had 20 bucks in my rewards card, players, so it cost me $10. Yeah, that goes in like this. Bada boom, bada bang. Damn, bro. Moment of truth. Oh shit. Oh shit. Hey, I'm excited and I just can't hide it. Yo, it's your boy Hyper Energy, and now we have Lena in the building. So hey. Lena's gonna help us film. And she randomly popped up, so I just gotta change this last one. Can you help me? Personally, I always love it when someone's here to film me because I don't really like talking to the camera, and I'd rather talk to the person behind the camera. So you just come in here, you pop this bad boy out like this. You get this bad boy, you flip this bad boy like that. You take this bad boy out like this. And then you insert this bad boy like that.
Damn, it's hot up in this bit.
I'm telling you, if they can only feel the temperature, I'm sweating. We're officially done. Now check this out. With this flathead, I'm gonna do some magic. I'm just gonna hit the button.
Ooh.
Nice, right?
Yeah.
It used to look yellow, but now it's white. How long has it took me to do something so simple like that?
A long ass time.
A long ass time. I'm forever getting smacked by the hood.
Did you do it for the 540?
No. Check this one. That thing shoots out like a bullet, huh? I washed the interior too. The head. Yeah. And I think that is a good time to sign out. Your boy has fallen in love with the M5. I got a question though. Should we continue showing love to the M5 or should we mix it up and throw the M3 in there? I'll let you guys decide. Comment below. It's hot, dudes. It's hot. It's hot. Follow me on Instagram if you guys haven't.
You detailed them?
No, I just watched it. It looks really good. Alright, here we go. Epic music. Cue it. Boom, 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 boom. Alright, I'm out, guys. Peace.